So it's another one of those videos. The last one got a lot of views and a lot of good feedback because I left a lot of information out. I have several videos that go into more detail on how I marketed my business, how I no longer need to market my business, the demographics that play a major role in the amount that I make, the income level that I'm at. As a handyman, you get called in and you just don't know what to expect. So the house I'm at right now is a rental house. I'm in this city and I got lucky that I got a parking spot right in front of it. It's a small house, $500 to $800 a square foot for a house. So that means you have a 1,000 square foot house, it's going to cost you $500,000 minimum. So here's another controversial method that I use to see what the value of the house is. This is a property management company that hires me. Somebody else owns this house and they turn over all responsibilities to the property manager. Here's a little background on the house. As I can see, it's all brick. It's a single family. It does have central air. The lot is 6,000 square feet. The size of the house is 1,000 square feet with a 713 square foot basement. They just purchased it, so you get a very tiny house for $614,000. This needs a new flapper. So here's the broken window. Looks like there's a comforter shoved in there, and I am going to replace that with just a thin piece of Lexan. Okay, so this is an outdoor kitchen, and one thing that happens is when you have a peat trap like this here and it holds water and it gets below freezing, it breaks. So if you have an outdoor kitchen in an area that it freezes, make sure you empty your peat traps. So what I'm going to do is just pop this nasty freaking peat trap off, replace it. Yes, I should have gloves, but I don't have any on me. And I need to zip through this and need to be out of here in like 20 minutes. There you go. Nasty. P-trap replaced. No way to test it because I don't want to fill it back up with water and have it freeze and break again. It's just what it's going to be. You still may be puzzled by the value of this house and how much it sold for. What did I say, $614,000? This is the kitchen. Lovely. Your sink, very well maintained. You got a little addition. It goes into this little room off the back of the house. You have original single pane windows. Probably half of them don't work. Hardwood flooring throughout. Now you do have this little front porch here. And I believe this is 2 bedrooms. I'm not going to go in the bedrooms, but there's one there, one here. There is 1 bathroom in this entire house. And this is it right here, the one I just replaced the flapper on. And I'm going to take you into this unfinished basement where you nearly smashed your head. This is the access to the basement. So you got to crawl down this little hole here. What I got to do is pull this 90-year-old window out. I'll throw another screw in there. But I'm just going to pop the trim off, cut a piece of Lexan, and replace this glass. They don't go above and beyond. They don't do things like they would do on their own house. They treat them as a rental house. Keep it functional, keep it occupied. That's it. So here's the 90-year-old window, and there is no trim that holds the glass in. It's just this putty. So I will clean all this out, and the new Lexan, once I clean all this out, will just get bedded with silicone in there. Like a glove. So what it is, I flexed it up in the middle and get it to go into its little indentation there. Now this will just get caulking and it'll go right back in. Like I said, this isn't how I would do my own house. Of course I would just put all new windows in my own house, but it's a rental house. They don't want to put new windows in. They want to basically have air not go through here, and that's it. So I'm going to use Dynaflex Ultra. It's a little overkill for this, but it's already loaded in the caulk gun, and I can get this done and over with pretty darn quick. Most likely this window will never be opened. At least they got a different source of light in here now. They don't have that comforter shoved in the hole. Now, if I can get it back in here without breaking it. Please leave a comment below. Do you want to see more of these? Do you want more details? There's not much to it, because I've been in business for, like I said, going on 11 years. I get the text message, I go do the work, and I don't even write invoices for specific property managers anymore. I just tell them how much it costs, and they just mail a check. Pretty easy. I pay for all the materials up front on these smaller jobs. The last time I did a video like this, I got yelled at in the comments because I'm charging too much. And my response is, like, it's my 11th year. If I was charging too much, I wouldn't be busy 7 days a week, booked out indefinitely. Right now, the end of March 2019 is when I don't have anything booked, but by the time we get even close to that, I'll be booked out to the end of summer. So my prices match what the market will allow.
And down there in Mississippi, where Billy Joe and Bobby Ray are from, you only get, we make $14 an hour, changing out toilet flappers. This guy here, he go change toilet flapper for $200. Woo-hoo! He's a thief. He should be in jail.
Things are different in a big city, especially a white-collar city with a lot of tech jobs, a lot of money, and a lot of customers, 3.5 million customers that don't want to do their own toilet flapper.